this is Ashur Kanoon with Pulse Secure Technical Marketing with another quick access series video. And today we're going to be talking about cloud secure. So as we get into hybrid IT, what we're seeing is migration to the cloud. So in the case, this is my premise now, this is my corp. I have some protected resources or just resources that people are trying to access. These are all on-prem, and I had my Connect Secure box here. So this is PCS. Now, what was happening previous to the migration was most of the data that corporations had, most of the applications, data, everything, was residing on-prem. So people were connecting to it through Connect Secure box and getting access to their data and applications. So for the end user, they get their data and they get their applications, right? For the admin, what they would get is they would be able to check the compliance of the device. So compliance is one of the important factors here because we're doing host checking or we're doing MDM integration to check the compliance of the mobile device. You can use Pulse Workspace to do the same thing. So the admins were getting compliance, okay? The other thing that the admins were getting was visibility. They get to know visibility. They get to know who's connecting, where they're going, right? When things like Exchange went from on-box to, let's say, Office 365, now what was happening was the end user was still able to get to their data and their applications. They can go to the cloud. But one of the things that was kind of missing for the end user, or for the admin, is the compliance and visibility kind of goes away. They would have to go and check who's connecting to Office 365. The compliance is a little bit difficult to do there. There's really no way to set up any host checking, host scanning, posture assessment. Anybody from any device can connect to Office 365. Now with Cloud Secure, which is functionality that's built into Pulse Connect Secure, we can actually use a few different things to give the admin the capability to, again, check compliance and have visibility. So for the end user, we're giving them basically SAML authentication here, and then it's not just for Office 365, it can be to any SaaS. So if they're doing SharePoint, if they're doing Box, Zendesk, just any kind of SaaS application. So we can have a bunch of these. These are all different SaaS. The end user, all they would do is use their applications just like they used to, without having to do anything, and we can actually make it easier. We can add certificate-based authentication so that the authentication between here and here is done automatically without the user having to do anything. And then when they actually go to access their cloud apps through SAML, we can sign them in, so we have more of a secure single sign-in rather than them having to remember their Office 365 password, their Box password, their Salesforce password. So that makes it easy for the end user. And now the admin, since there is a secure channel here, we're doing authentication, we're doing compliance. Now the admin knows which one of their users is accessing which app, which cloud app, and also they can do the posture assessment. So just like they had all of that visibility, compliance to on-prem, now they have it as they migrate to the cloud. So when we start talking hybrid IT, that's basically when everything's moving from on-prem, servers, everything that's hosted locally, to things getting migrated over the cloud. If you want to learn more about Cloud Secure, please visit www.pulsesecure.net.